Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to build a medium castle in Minecraft. First, find a spacious, flat area for your construction. Begin by gathering plenty of cobblestone, stone bricks, and various wood types for a strong, appealing structure. Next, outline your castle's footprint, perhaps a generous 60 by 60 block square. Lay down the initial wall layers, aiming for a height of at least 5 blocks to establish a solid base. This foundational step is crucial for your castle's overall stability and impressive scale. Now, let's focus on the main walls and towers. Elevate your walls to a commanding height of 8 to 10 blocks for robust defense against mobs. At each corner, construct sturdy towers, making them several blocks taller than your main walls for an imposing silhouette. Don't forget to add battlements and crenellations along the top edges of your walls, providing both protection and a classic castle aesthetic. Experiment with stone bricks, regular stone, and even some mossy cobblestone for varied textures. With the exterior taking shape, it's time to focus on the interior and finer details. Divide your castle into multiple floors, allocating space for various rooms such as a great hall, bedrooms, and a treasury. Construct a grand entrance, perhaps featuring a working drawbridge or a massive, reinforced gate. Illuminate your castle with torches and lanterns, and adorn the walls with banners and tapestries. Remember to integrate essential functional areas like a crafting station, furnaces, and ample storage chests. Finally, let's enhance your castle with landscaping and robust defenses. Dig a wide moat, at least 3 blocks deep and 5 blocks wide, surrounding your entire structure to deter intruders. Cultivate gardens and plant trees around the castle grounds to create a more natural and inviting environment. Implement clever defensive mechanisms, such as hidden lava traps near the entrance or arrow slits along the walls. Complete your castle with a well-designed courtyard, featuring pathways, fountains, and additional decorative touches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.